Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's make a simple dal tadka recipe which goes well with ghee rice, plain rice, even with idli and dosa. To prepare this, I'm using Masoor Dal. Here I'm taking 3/4 cup of Masoor Dal. Going to wash it well 3 to 4 times with water. And then into the same bowl adding 2.5 cups of water to allow the dal to soak. Soaking the dal will help in cooking the dal quickly. In a pressure cooker, I'm adding a teaspoon of oil. Then goes in 4 dry red chilies, 1 onion. Here I'm roughly slicing the onion. Adding onion into the dal while cooking it in the cooker adds great taste and texture. Then goes in 1 tomato which I have cut into half, 1 small piece of ginger sliced, then 5 to 8 cloves of garlic, a handful of fresh coriander leaves which I have roughly chopped, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, whole spices, 2 small pieces of cinnamon and 4 cloves. Now I'm adding 2.5 cups of water which I've removed it from the dal and adding the soaked dal. Then goes in salt as per taste. Give this a good mix. Close the lid and pressure cook this for 4 whistles. Open the lid once the pressure is normally released. And you can see how well the dal is cooked. Now I'm whisking it with the help of a spoon to mash it a little. Now this is done. I'm going to keep it aside. To season the dal or to give tadka to the dal, here I've taken 2 spoons of ghee. You can also use oil. Then goes in a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, then few curry leaves. And then I'm going to add the cooked dal. Here goes in a little water, and to adjust the consistency I'm adding more 1 cup of water. Now give this a good mix. Check for salt and add if required. To add tanginess to the dal, I'm adding a teaspoon of tamarind paste which I've diluted with water. Give this a good stir and allow it to get a good boil. Now you can see the dal has started to get a boil. Once it boils well, turn off the heat and this dal is ready to be served. Here it is of thin consistency and this would go thick as it cools down, but you can adjust the water quantity as per your preference. I hope you love this recipe of mine. Do give this a try and share your feedback in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel to meet us again. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.